If you have many different Chrome profiles, perhaps lots of different email addresses for work and for other different things, you might want to have some sort of way of going between one profile and another really quickly. The best way I find this is to create different shortcuts on the desktop, so when I start up my computer I can go directly to the shortcut that I want to go to. And when you create a new Chrome profile, you get the option of having a shortcut on your desktop, but if you didn't do that in the first place, there's no way that you can do that in Chrome. You have to do that the way I'm going to show you. So first you need to start off with a Chrome shortcut on your desktop, which just goes to the app. So I'm going to just go back to my start menu here and type in Chrome, and there's Chrome there, and I right mouse click and go open file location, and there's the shortcut there which is on my start menu. It's a shortcut, so I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it on the desktop, paste, and I can close this now. Now I'm going to copy this, and I'm just going to paste, Control V, Control V, Control V. So now I've got 4 different shortcuts to the same thing. When I double click it, it's opening up to my default Chrome account. Now to actually customize these, so each of these go to a specific different account, I want to choose the first line over here, which I've got, which is the default account, which is the one that actually opened originally. And I right mouse click on here and go properties, and that's already highlighted, so I just paste, Control V, paste it, and it's got the default account in there. So OK. To the second one, grab it, Control C to copy, over here, properties, it's selected, Control V, OK. To the third one, I'm going to get, that's profile number 2, copy that, right mouse click here, properties, paste, OK, and then I'll do one more just for good measure, copy that, right mouse click, properties, paste, and OK. Now each of these has one of these different lines in it. Now I'm going to just test it out. The first one should go to my default, that's there, and that's Mark. There we go, Mark selected. Second one, if I double click it, is going to go to this guy over here, which is Video Blurb TV. That's correct. Third one, double click it, that's going to go to my wife, Maddie. There she is. Next one is going to go to this one over here, which is Kioni Apartments, one of the business things that we do. So each of these are different, so I can just rename them now. Mark. This one would be VBTV. This one would be Maddie. And this one would be Kioni Apartments. Right, and one other thing I can do is right mouse click properties, and I can actually create a shortcut key for that particular thing. So if I wanted to, on the desktop, when I'm on the desktop, I go Control Alt, say maybe M for Mark, or maybe I can go 1 if I want it to be number 1. Let's just go 1. So Control Alt 1 will start that, and then right mouse click here, properties, shortcut key, Control Alt 2. Okay, next one, properties, Control Alt 3, and next one, properties, shortcut Control Alt 4. And now on the desktop, I've just started my computer. Say I want to open this one over here, this fourth one. I can Control Alt 4, and there it goes. It loads straight up there. If I want to do Control Alt 1, it'll open that one. Control Alt 2 does that one. Control Alt 3 does that one. So you can have very quick access to your particular Chrome profiles and have shortcut keys that go straight there. Pretty easy.